Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're here with another how to create upcycle puppets, or how to make a giant, and I mean giant, elephant head into a puppet. Oops, gotta get it in shot. So we're gonna do that right now. Now this little guy says he squeezes the ears and mouth moves as I talk and sing. I will try again. I tried it a while back. I don't think this guy's going to work, okay? So we're going to give it a shot, though, just for fun, to see if maybe I'm wrong. Because that would be nice. Because then we could figure out what he does. Okay. Ready? So squeeze the ears. I don't... Oh. You hear that? Not much going on. So I'll tell you what. I think that's it. We've had fun with these in the past, but I think right now, I think this little guy, I think he's had his last song and dance. Okay. I'm gonna save these for another time. How to get batteries out of a toy. Let's see. Use a screwdriver. And hopefully it'll come right out, which it's not. There we go. There's one. There we go. Okay. Let's get our glasses on. Figure out what this guy does. It says that I paid $4 for it. I hope I didn't. I really hope I didn't, because I don't think he's worth $4. But it might be. Now, let's see here. Let's get our diagonal pliers, because this one has a zip tie. And I'm getting to see a lot of these zip tie characters. And once I get the zip tie popped, then we can move along. Oh boy, this is a tough one. There it goes. Ta-da! So I think this is one of those like you would have a hobby horse, or I don't know if they're called hobby horses, where you hold it and you ride it around, this and that. That's what I think this is. Wow. That's it. Now, I have a, oh, and it's even got like a wrist strap on it. Ooh, this is cool. This is like a really crazy samurai sword. It's got little, hang on a sec. This might actually, wow, this is kind of cool. It's like a samurai sword with a wrist thing, so you could let it dangle like that. But the problem is, it's got like these really spiky parts there. So I don't know that I want to do that. But this is kind of interesting. This is what was inside this little guy here. So let's put that over there. Stay. And see what we got here. Let's remove some material. There's a lot in this one. Okay, wow. Okay, so there's the little pouch that this little guy comes in. Let's see if we can just, well, I think I'm going to have to, I was hoping just to do a quick pull on it, but I think I need to give it a little help. Let's get that. Come on. Okay, we got to go to plan B. Let's do some cutting. These scissors are supposed to be pretty good, but I don't think they are that great. I will not be buying this brand again. Well, there it goes. Okay. Just a little bag down in here, and it's holding the module in place. So once it's in the deal there. So let's do this, because I don't need that. I'm going to cut it out. There we go. Okay. One more cut, because there's actually some cables on the other side. There we go. Okay. All right. So is this gonna? There it goes. Okay. Oh, all I did was take the bag off. That wasn't very nice. Okay, so I need to reach in and find. I'll tell you what. Let's just do this. Let's make it easy on ourselves. How do they fit all this in there? It's like a nativity scene under a Christmas tree. Okay. Now, let's see here. There is a module there. And it's got a little string tied around the bag. It's kind of odd. Okay. There it is. Untie that. And remove the module. There it is. Okay. And we're going after the buttons now. The buttons. Let's get these buttons out. And these buttons are held in with a little bag. These are always fun. Okay, so let's get that little thread. A little purple thread. There it goes. There's oh. Okay, there's one. There's at least another one over here. Something else up there. What's up there? That one has something attached to it. There is a wiggling thing or something? Well, that's, hold on. Okay. That is something in there, and I need to cut this little guy. Put all these things in these little bags, I think, to protect them from the rest of the stuffing or what have you. All right, so let's do that. Let's give a pull there. That's pretty strong material. That's pretty good. A little more cutting. Cut, cut. Okay, so what's up there? What do we got? Some big module. More cutting. You'd figure I'd learn. Okay, so, oh, that's the battery pack. Came in from a different direction. And then here we go. Let's see what we got here. Another couple of switches or what have you. Again, let's do that. And one more. Okay, so there it is. There's the apparatus that came out of the elephant. Let's put that down here in my little stand. These are great, by the way. These are, what are they, like 20 or 30 bucks at IKEA. Pretty cool place. There it is. Okay, so now I have the ability to, I'll tell you what, let's stuff some material back in. Give a little bit of shape to the head. Okay, there it is. And then I'm going to do this. I got to hold on to it. Hello, I am a non-flying Dumbo type elephant. Brrr, there it is. That's it. That's what you get today. So there he is. It's one of those little hobby horse type things, and he's got a little mouth that he can talk with right there, and a tea kettle type trunk there, and that's pretty much it. You could probably, I don't know if you'd want it now. That's pretty much it. Yeah, I don't know what else you could do with him. But there he is. We've created a puppet, an active working puppet. Hello, I'm a working puppet. And from one of those little guys. So there he is. By the way, thank you guys for joining us. For those of you who've been with us before. For those of you who are new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe for updates. And this is the DIY Magician. Until next time.